everyone, today we are going to have a Christmas workshop here in my house, and Elin and Nova will come and make some jewelry. They will come in a few minutes. Today weather is -5 Celsius. It's going to be snow in the afternoon. Perfect weather to be indoors and do some crafting. Unfortunately, my craft room is too small for 3 people. So I have to set up the workshop in my kitchen. I lay out all the tools that we may need it today. Bead mats are also necessary. Otherwise we will have a lot of beads on the floor in the next few days. I don't know what we are going to create today, but I prepare for everything. I have a lot of materials that we can use today. The girls are here now. Elin and Noah. We are discussing what they would like to create today. Noah needs some help because she doesn't have so much experience with tools. I give the girls some advice and ideas. Elin also a good teacher. She guides Noah how to use the tool. Also encouraged her sister. I show Noah and Elin the beads I bought from a new store at the mall. Elin is so proud of her creation. Noah seems to have a little bit problem with the memory wire. Noah also make a Christmas necklace for her mom. And she's so proud. Elin is very creative and has many ideas. So girls, now we are ready. Everything is ready. So please, Elin, please tell us what did you make this time?
Yes. So here we have some earrings around. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes.
Beautiful. And then you have keyring.
Yes, a keyring. And then we have
Bracelet.
a bracelet.
And Nova, what did you make this time?
Earrings.
Yes, nice.
And
A
Bracelet. Yeah, and this is very nice.
Yeah.
Yay! Good job, girl.
Yeah.
Time to pack up and head home. It takes time to put on all the clothes. It's cold outside, about -7 Celsius. They really appreciate being here. It's fun to have them here, but also tiring. So the girls just went home. I think they are happy with the gift that they made, and I'm also happy and a little bit tired. And the aftermath of the craft weekend is look like this. Here, everywhere. Yeah. it's going to take me a few hours before I put everything in places. So, but anyway, I'm happy that they are happy and they like to craft. It will be a while before I finish and sort them out. My husband is so clever and put the containers on wheel for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.